Today guys, we will be showing you my complete collection of Disney Pixar cars.
Another day, another dollar gone. When I get up in the morning, I just can't go on. I feel the outstretched turns of time. I ain't lying, but something's calling from down deep within. Like I finally started living for myself again. I say the outstretched lands of time change my mind, 'cause I wanna run that race. I wanna run that race. I do it on my pace, as long as I get to run that race again. I feel discouraged and I doubt myself, but you can't blame it on nobody else. Only you know where it is. You belong, sing along. We gotta run that race. We gotta run that race. I do it on my pace, as long as we get to run that race again. We gotta run that race. We gotta run that race. I do it on my pace, as long as we get to run that race again. When I lay my head on my pillow at night, I think about what's still going right. Thank the stars up above, there's still things left I know. I wanna run that race. I wanna run that race. I wanna run that race, yeah.
I cruise the streets with a gleam in my eye, wheels spinning fast as the world flies by. My ride's got a soul and a story to tell, a wooden heart in a chrome shell. I swing through the night so free. Ain't nobody got a ride like me. From the boardwalk lights to the desert sand, this got the world in the palm of its hand. The radio crackles with a tune so sweet. I tap the rhythm with my restless feet. The engine hums like a symphony, she and me in perfect harmony. I swing through the night so free. Ain't nobody.
And that is my complete Disney Pixar cars and planes collection. And, I guess some Stranger Things stuff. Yeah.